Now, this next feature is certainly one of my favorites. It's one of the ones that I personally use when I'm developing a manuscript, and it is the status feature. Okay, so again, we're over in the inspector and we look here at status. I've got idea 1, okay, this particular document selected at the moment, and I can apply a status to it. As with labels, you can create your own status. Okay, so if I come down here and go edit, it will allow me to add a status and create any number of statuses that I want to. Okay, we're not going to do that right now, but you can see how easy it is to do it. But if I say that this one is first draft, this one here is a revised draft, I can right click also on the particular card and apply a status. So if I do to do, and as you can see, we get this kind of very light writing come across the index card: first draft, revised draft, and to do. Okay, so very, very easy and a very quick way for you to see exactly where any individual document stands within your overall project. You can also go up here to Tools, okay, and we're going to go to Options. And so let's open our options up, and you can go to Corkboard, okay, and down here you can change the opacity, okay, the status stamp opacity, by just moving this indicator here. There are a number of other things that you can change as well: the label tint opacity, the status stamp opacity, etc. So if I wanted to make my opacity much higher, I can go and I can apply, and as you can see, it changes it and makes it darker. And then I just pull it back and apply that. Once you're happy and you've got it as you want to, you can just click OK. And there we go.